Hi friends, now we are going to see exercise 6.4 chapter 6 trigonometry. Okay, the first problem, from the top of a tree of height 13 meter, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the bottom of the another tree are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of second tree. Okay, we have to find the height of second tree. Here root 3 is equal to 1.732. Okay, solution. Here the given is the height of the tree is 13 meter. From the angle of elevation we get 30 degree. Depression is 30 degree. So here we get 30 degree. The another tree bottom. Okay. It is A, it is C, and this is D. Here the height of the tree is B. Okay. From this the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Okay. So from the triangle ACD, here we get tan 30 degrees equal to solution. Here the height of the first tree is 13 meter and the angle of depression is 30 degree. So here we get 30 degree. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. Here we have to find the height of second tree. Okay. So this is X, AC is Y. Okay. Now we get tan 30 degrees equal to CD divided by AC. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to CD is 13. Here AC is Y. So Y is equal to 13 into root 3. Okay. This is equation number 2. Now from the triangle BDE we get tan 45 degrees equal to BE divided by ED. Okay. Here we get tan 45 degree is 1. So BE is X and ED is Y. So here we get X is equal to Y. So here we get X is equal to 13 into root 3. Okay. So now we have to find the height of second tree. The height of second tree is equal to AB. So AB is equal to X plus 13. So X is 13 into root 3. So AB is equal to 13 into root 3 value is 1.732 plus 13. So here we get 35.52 meter. Okay. Second problem, if the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above the lake is theta 1. Okay. So the angle of elevation from the cloud and from a point is h meters and it is in theta 1. The angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is theta 2. Prove that the height that the cloud is located from the ground is h into tan theta plus 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Okay. Solution. Here we know that the height of a point from a observer is h meter. Okay, this is the surface of the lake, it is AB. Okay, now from this point the angle of elevation is, from the point is angle of elevation is theta 1. Okay, it is C, the cloud point, and it is the point M, and this is X, and this is H. PA is equal to MB. Okay, now the point of reflection from the cloud in the lake is theta 2. Okay, it is the reflection of the cloud, so it is C dash. Okay, it is in the angle of depression theta 2. Okay, so BC dash is H plus X. Solution from the triangle CPM. Here we get tan theta 1 is equal to CM divided by MP. Okay, here MP is equal to AB. Okay, so AB is equal to, here CM is X, so AB is equal to X divided by tan theta 1. 1 by tan theta 1 is 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. So X into cot theta 1. Okay, now we have to find from the triangle MPC dash. Okay, here tan theta 2 is equal to C dash M divided by PM. Okay, here PM is equal to AB, so tan theta 2 is equal to C dash M is X plus H plus H. Okay, so here we get X plus 2H into divided by PM is equal to AB. Okay, so AB is equal to X plus 2H divided by tan theta 2. This is equation number 2. From the equation 1 and 2, here equate X into cot theta 1 is equal to X plus 2H into cot theta 2. Okay, now here we have to take on one side X into cot theta 1 minus X plus 2H into cot theta 2 is equal to 0. So here we get X into cot theta 1 minus X into cot theta 2 is equal to 2H cot theta 2. Okay, here we get cot theta is, X is common, so cot theta 1 minus cot theta 2 is equal to 2 into H cot theta 2. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So X into 1 by tan theta 1 minus 1 by tan theta 2 is equal to 2H divided by tan theta 2. Okay, so here we get X is equal to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 2H divided by tan theta 2. Okay, now here we get X is equal to 2H divided by tan theta 2 into tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Okay, tan theta 2 cancel. Here we get X is equal to 2H tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Here we have to find CB. So CB is x plus h. So x is 2h tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 plus h. Okay, here we have to take an LCM. 2h tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 into h divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Okay, here 2h tan theta 1 plus h tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 h divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Okay, so h tan theta 1 plus 2 h tan theta 1 cancel. Here we get h tan theta 1 plus h tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Here h is common, so h into tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Hence prove that h into tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Okay. Third problem, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of the lamp post from the top of a 66 meter high apartment are 60 degree and 30 degree. The angle of elevation is 60 degree and the angle of depression is 30 degree. Find the height of lamp post and the distance between the lamp post and the apartment. Okay. Solution 6 meter plus x. Okay. So the height of the apartment is 66 meter. It is CD and it has an angle of depression as 30 degree and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now we have to find AC and MB. Okay. Now we have to find the height of the lamp post AB and the distance between the lamp post and the apartment AC, it is Y. Okay. From the triangle ACD, we get tan 30 degrees equal to CD divided by AC. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to CD is 66 meter and AC is Y. So Y is equal to 66 into root 3 meter. Okay. From triangle BMD, we get tan 60 degree is equal to MB divided by MD. Okay. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to MB is X. So X divided by MD is equal to AC. So Y. So X is equal to, here we get X is equal to root 3 Y. From the equation 1, we get X is equal to 66 into 3. So X is equal to 198 meter. Okay. So the height, here the height of lamp post is equal to X plus 66 meter. Okay. So X is 198 plus 66 meter. So here we get the height of lamp post is to 64 meter. Okay. Now we have to find the distance between the lamp post and the apartment. Here we get y is equal to 66 into root 3. So 66 into root 3 value is 1.732. So we get 114.312 meter. Okay. So the distance between the lamp post and the apartment is 114.312 meter. Okay. Fourth problem. Three villages A, B and C can see each others across a valley. The horizontal distance between A and B is 8 km and the horizontal distance between B and C is 12 km. The angle of depression of B from A is 20 degree and the angle of elevation of C from B is 30 degree. Calculate vertical height between A and B and the vertical height between B and C. Here given tan 20 degree is equal to 0.3640 and root 3 value is 1.732. Okay. Here solution. Here given us three villages. First one is A, second one is B and third one is C. Okay. Here the horizontal distance between A and B is 8 km and the horizontal distance between B and C is 12 km. Okay. So the angle of depression from a point A is 20 degree. So the angle is 20 degree and the angle of elevation from the point B to C is 30 degree. Okay. So we have to find the distance between vertical height between A and B and B and C. Okay. Solution. From the triangle ADB we get tan 20 degree is equal to AD divided by BD. Okay. Here AD is H1 divided by BD is 8 km. Okay. So tan 20 is 0.3640. Okay. So here AD is approximately, that is H1 is approximately equal to 3 km. Okay. Here we get 3 km. From we have to find from the triangle BCE we have to find the H2. So tan 30 degree is equal to CE divided by BE. Here CE is equal to H2 divided by BE is 12 km. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So root 3 H2 is equal to 12. H2 is equal to 12 by root 3. Here we know the value of, here we are going to multiply root 3 from denominator and numerator. We get 12 into root 3 divided by 3. So 3, 4. So here we get H2 is equal to 4 into root 3. So root 3 value is 1.732. So H is equal to, so H2 is equal to 6.93 km. Okay. Approximately we get H2 is equal to 7 km. So the vertical height between A and B is 3 km and the vertical height between B and C is 7 km. Okay. Thank you friends. Please subscribe and share my channel.